Hi there, welcome back to Nature Series. This is mud. This is good for making puddles to jump in. And this helps plants grow. And it's good for doggies to have mud baths in.
Our doggy loves mud baths.
Yeah, our doggy loves mud baths. But then come back here!
I don't think Oscar wants to be on camera.
Why? Okay, this is mud too, with lots of stones, stuff, and
Why don't you tell the guys, why do you think it's more muddy today?
it's more muddy today because it has been raining all day.
When the rain hits the
And
ground,
when the rain hits the ground, the grass turns into mud.
it gets all wet, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Soggy and muddy.
And this is grass. No, and this is another piece of mud. This is a bit squelchy. Good for making puddles. Over there.
Big ones over there.
Yeah. Where our doggy's mud bath is. It's right over there.
You're not going back there. No.
Right,
Trying to
right.
get
Right next to that shed. Okay. Okay. See you later.